Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to discussing about signature of a function and parameters and return type of a functions. Signature of a function. A function signature includes the function name and the number, order and type of its formal parameters. Syntax is return type, function name, parameters. Declaration, statements, return values. Return type. Return type is a type of value written by function. Return type may be void if function is not going to return a value. Function name. It is a unique name that identifies function. All variable naming conversions are applicable for declaring valid function name. Parameters. Comma, separated list of types and names of parameters. Parameter injects external values into function on which function is going to operate. Parameter field is optional. If no parameter is passed, then no need to write this field. Value. It is value returned by function upon termination. Function will not return value if return type is void. Here, int is a return type, sum is the function name, and parameter list, formal parameters. Here, local declaration, this is the calculation, that means statements. Next, return statement. This is all about functions. This is the example for function. Sum of two numbers. So I can take int sum of A and B. Return type, function name, list of parameters, and within that local declaration, statements and return statements. Next, terminology associated with functions. Parameter. The term parameter refers to any declaration within the parenthesis allowing the function name in a function declaration or definition. Example, void sum of int a comma b. A and b are parameters. Argument. The term argument refers to any expression with the parenthesis of a function call. Sum of num1 comma num2. Call function sum with two parameters. Next, calling function, called function. The function which is making a call to any function is called calling function. Example, calling function of main. Called function, the function which is being executed due to function call is called as function. Function sum is called function by main function in sum of num1 comma num2 written num1 comma num2. Parameters and return type of a function. There are 5 categories of functions. Function with no arguments and no return type. Second one is function with arguments and no return values. Third one is function with arguments and return values. Fourth one is function with no arguments and no return values. And last one is function returning multiple values. These are all types of parameters. Parameter passing techniques. Function with no arguments and no return values. When a function has no arguments, it does not receive any data from calling function. When a function does not return a value, the calling function does not receive any data from the called function. Function that does not return a value are known as void functions. That there is no data transfer between the calling function and the called function. This is the example for function with no arguments and no return values. Here I cannot pass any parameters. So direct it goes to here and print here only. I cannot take any return value here. So just calculate here and then print here only. So this is the example for no arguments and no return values. In this program, I cannot use any return value. Next, functions with arguments and no return values. When a function has arguments, data is transferred from calling function to called function. The called function receives data from calling function and does not send back any values to calling function because it does not have return value. This is the example. Here I can take int arguments. So this is the function definition, and I can read variables here a and b and add of a and b. Function call, it goes to function definition. Here I can calculate z is equal to x plus 5, that means addition of two numbers, and print it here only, that means with arguments and no return values. So I cannot return any value, I can print in function definition only. Then it is called as functions with arguments and no return values. So the output is, I can take a value as 3, b value as 5, and the output is sum of two numbers is 8. Next, function with arguments and return values. In this, data is transferred between calling and called function. That means called function receives data from calling function, and called function also sends the return value to the calling function. This is the example for function with arguments and return values. Here I can take int a of int comma int. This is the function definition. Here I can take three values, that means a, b, c. Here I can use printf for printing this statement, enter values a and b. This is also program for addition of two numbers. I can write two variables. Scanf is equal to %d ampersand a ampersand b. Next, c is equal to add of a comma b. This is function call. It goes to, the cursor comes to function definition. Here I can take int z is equal to x plus 5, that means a and b. Formal arguments. So I can take a value as 3, b value as 5, z is equal to 3 plus 5, 8. Return z, it goes to here. C is equal to add of a comma b, then it c, the 8 value will be stored in c variable. Then print the sum of two numbers. So this is the example of function with arguments and return value. Here arguments is there and return value is there. So this is the example for function with arguments and return values. Next, function with no arguments and return values. When function has no arguments, data cannot be transferred to called function. But the called function can send some return value to the calling function. This is the example for function with no arguments and return values. Here I cannot take any arguments here, but int c is equal to add, then it goes to function definition. Here only I can take three variables x, y, z and read it here only, and I can read the values here only. Z is equal to x plus 5. Then I calculate the values. I can take 5 values. So z is equal to 8, return z. The cursor goes to the cursor returns the values to c is equal to add. Next, printf, the sum of two numbers is %d, that means 8. It can print it here only. So in this example, I cannot take any arguments, but I can return the value. So this is the example for function with no arguments and return values. Thank you.